Barney and Baby Bop go to school. Baby Bop is so excited. She's visiting preschool today.
"Have fun,"
says Barney.
"I'll pick you up after school."
A friend shows Baby Bop a special place to put her yellow blankie. Playing with blocks is lots of fun. Do you see Baby Bop's house? Beep, beep, here comes the car. Scamper is a soft and cuddly guinea pig. He loves to eat crunchy carrots. Baby Bop makes a sandcastle. And then she leads a marching band. Oh, look at the red picture Baby Bop is painting. Finger paint feels so squishy. At story time, the teacher reads Baby Bop's favorite book. Baby Bop loves to read stories. There are lots of good books at school. It's fun to pretend to be a doctor or invite friends to a pretend tea party. Don't forget to wash and dry your hands before eating your snack. Yum, yum! Snack time is so much fun. Whee! Baby Bop is riding her tricycle on the playground. Here comes the ball. Catch it! Is it time to go home already? See the picture I painted? Asked Baby Bop.
"It's super-de-duper,"
says Barney. Baby Bop waves goodbye. School is fun! I can't wait to come again! The end.